Hey everyone, Rene here. As you might remember, I promised to give away this nice Tascam cassette deck that I previously serviced, adjusted and repaired right here on this channel. The plan was to give it away as soon as we hit 500 subscribers. Well, I have to apologize. I didn't do it at 500 subscribers because, to my surprise, the channel shot up from 300 to 700 subscribers in just a few days. Um, that left me with very, very little time to make the 500 subscriber video. But to make up for that, I've got a little surprise for you. This deck right here will be given away to a subscriber who comments on this video. So I'll be giving it away when the channel hits 2,500 subscribers. I was originally going to give it away at 1,000 subscribers, but at the pace this channel is growing, that would mean I'd be giving it away, what, next week? No, I'm joking. I'll reveal the brand and the model of this deck after showing you the winner of the Tascam. And of course, I'll do a complete service and adjustment on this channel so you know what you're getting is 100% okay. Now, let's quickly test the Tascam before I start packing it up. So, open and close. That works. There's two cassettes, one in either bay, so that one forwards. Yeah. Play, reverse. Let's do a quick dub, see if it's open up. Yep. Record, dub, pause, play. There we go. That works. That works. Let's give it a few minutes. Stop. Rewind. Oh, stop. Stop. Rewind. Play. Yep. Recorded both channels, so that's good. If you want to see what else I did on the deck, I'll link the video up there. Okay, well, let's see who won this video. Can we have a drum roll, please? Congratulations! If you see your name on the little thing with all the little, happy thoughts, send me an email or send me a message through YouTube. That's probably better so I know it's you. Or contact me at the email address in the description below and I'll get a Tascam to you as soon as possible. I hope that you live close by, or otherwise it's going to cost me an arm and a leg in shipping. Now, several people ask me why I'm giving these decks away. I started this channel to share what I know, to show people that fixing and servicing cassette decks isn't rocket science. With some limited tools, a bit of software, and a mechanically inclined mindset, you can fix 90% of these decks yourself. Since I'm not doing it for the money anymore, and I don't want these decks to just be sitting around on a shelf collecting dust, I thought, why not share them with you? You, the people that really have an interest in them, shown an interest in the people that subscribed to the channel and watch what I'm doing. And what better way than just to give them away. Of course, I sell some on eBay as well, but I want to give them to the people that want, watch this channel and show a real interest. So now you know why I'm giving away. You want to know what's in here? Ta-da! A Yamaha KX630. This particular one is a 3-head model, so you can record and listen to what you record at the same time. It's got a very nice plate trim adjustment. It's got Dolby B&C, bias adjustment, all the things that you would like in a good deck. This one has already been serviced. You can watch a video, but I will keep this one apart for when we reach 2,500 viewers. So, thank you very much for watching. The next video will be another very, very boring, do-it-yourself expert repair video, tearing a deck apart. I think we're going to do an Akai. So, thank everybody for watching, and I will see you later. Thanks, bye.